Okay, so 4 over 9 times 6 over 8, what do we do? Okay, so we always look for common factors on top and below. Diagonally also can, 4 and 8, 6 and 9, 6 and 8. Can? So as long as it's like on top and below, we can cancel. So 4. Is there any common factor between 4 and 9? No, right? Then how about 4 and 8? 2. Okay, so we can divide by 2, right? So this one becomes 2. This one becomes 4. Okay, then is there any more common factor between 2 and 4? What is it? Common factor 2. So can divide by 2 again, right? So this one divide by 2, I get 1. This one divide by 2, I get 2. Okay. So now any more common factor? Don't have already lah, because it's 1. Alright. So now we look at the other side. Okay. 6 and 9. Any common factor? 3. So divide by 3 lah. What do we get? This one will be 2. Okay, so now we look again. Is there any other common factor on top and below? 2 and 3 cannot, right? Then 2 and 2. Can you see? 2 and 2 on top, below. So we can further cancel out the common factor, right? So what do we get? 1 and 1. So what do we get? So now after we have cancelled all the common factors, right, can you see that you are left with very small numbers? Now very easy to times, right? So now got numerator and denominator, right? So numerator times together lah, 1 times 1 gives you 1. Then next, 3 times 1 gives you 3. So this is 1. Okay, what do we do? Okay, Brittany, what is the first thing that we have to do? 5 over 6, okay? No. What must happen to this divide sign? Do we write down this divide? Change to times, very good. Okay, then Xavier, what's the last part? What do we need to do? Times 12 over 2. Basically, you have to invert this. Okay? Okay, so 12 over 2. So now we check for common factor to cancel or not. What are the common factor? 6 and 12. So what will happen? 6 will become 1 lah. Okay, we go faster a bit, shortcut. 12 will become 2, right? Okay, then we see 2 and 2 here. 2 and 2 becomes 1, right? So this one cancel, 1 and 1. Can? So Brittany, what is the answer? 5 over? Okay lah, answer 5. So now you all know how to do division or fraction. Okay, Brittany, come read. Okay, what we have 6 over 12. Okay, so equals to 4 over something. Okay, so this one cannot be. You have to times actually 2/3. So you have times a fraction, so a bit hard to see. So what you can do, right, is that we can reduce this thing to the lowest term first. So it will become 6 over 12 reduced to the lowest term. What do you get? 3 over, you get 1 over 2, right? Correct? 6 over, you get 3 over 6, then you divide by 3 again, is 1 over 2. So you get 1 over 2. So now equals to 4 over, can you see? So from 1, how to get 4? Times 4 from 2, do the same thing also lah. Okay? So I have 30 pupils in total, and then 2/5. So I divide into 5, right? Altogether 30 pupils, right? And then 2 out of 5 were girls, right? So these are girls, then this must be boys, huh? Can? So how many are girls? 5 units, 30. 1 unit, 30 divided by 5, 6. 2 units, 12. 3 units, 18. Like that, okay? So I have how many girls, how many boys? I have 12 girls, right? Okay, I have 12 girls, and then I have 18 boys. Okay, then you read the question. You see, 2 more girls had joined. Okay, 2 more girls had joined, then plus 2, right? So now I have 14 girls. Then it says 6 boys had transferred out, right? So 18 minus 6, huh? So become 12 boys. Correct? Then what fraction of the class were girls? Okay, that means after transferred out, girls is 14, right? Then now the total class has 14 plus 12, right? 26. So divide by 2, 7 over 13. Understand? Sue had 1/4 of her salary left after spending $900. So her salary divide into how many parts? 4 parts lah. So she had 1/4 left, right? This one is what she have left after she has spent, which is $900. So can do already? Sure? It's like that, 2/3 of a cake. So now I have a cake. So I divide into 3 parts. So this one is 2/3, right? Correct? 2/3. So now I want to give 1, 2, 3, 4. I want to give 4 brothers, right? So how much will each brother get? So it's just 2/3. Brainy? 2/3. Divide by 4. Yes. So 4 is 4 over 1, right? Okay, so when we do division, what must we do? 2/3 times 1/4. Can do? Excellent. Okay, so to solve this question now, we must find out like 48. How to become 3? Must divide by something, right? So divide by what? So how to check? We just take 48. Okay, Xavier, 48 divide by 3. Now we are looking at 48 divided by something gives you 3. So 48 divided by 3, 1, 1, 8, 6. Can see this? So basically 48 divided by 3 gives you 16, right? Okay, 48 divided by 3 gives you 16. And 48 divided by 16 will give you 3. The same thing, right? So 48 here divide by something gives you 3. What is this number? 16. Okay, so this number must be 16. So I have this number divided by 16 will give you 4. So this number here, it will be 4. Understand? Can do? So Shorja, 3/4 divided by 3, we know that you are going to get 3 over 4 times 1 over 3, which is equal to 1 over 4, equal to 4 times something. Roger, like that, okay? So, this thing here, right? Okay, we do it this way. This thing here equals to 14 divided by 4. You understand? So you understand why I do this? Okay, because like you see, if let's say I have 8 is equal to 2 times 4. You see, you frame this 4 up. 4 is actually equal to 8 divided by 2. Can you see it? So now we have 1/4 equals to 4 times this unknown. So this unknown is actually equal to 1/4. This 4 I bring over, it becomes 1 over 4 divided by 4. Georgia, you understand? Okay, can do. So what I need to do, right, you see, 6 must times a fraction to get 4, correct? You also must divide by a fraction to get 4. So a bit hard to do lah. So can we try to simplify this fraction? So 6 over 12, what can it become? Reduce it to the lowest term.
11, 3.
Sorry?
12 divided by 3 and 6 divided by 3.
So what do you get?
2.
2 over
4.
4. Can this be further reduced?
Yes.
Becomes?
Divided by 2.
Then it will become
1
1
over.
over 2, half. So half is equal to 4 over something. So 1 must times 4 to get 4, right? So the bottom must times 4. Understand? Okay, express 9 over 12 as a decimal. So what we need to do is just take 9 divide by 12. Okay. But this one, you see, we can further express this as a fraction in the simplest form first, right? So we try to express it in the simpler form first. So 9 over 12, any common factor? 3. So it becomes 9 over divided by 3, it will become 3 over 4. Understand? So 3 over 4, we just take 3 divided by 4. So in decimal, so 3 cannot divide by 4, so this is 0. So bring a 0 here. So what times 4? Here got decimal, take note, 7 minus 28. Bring down another 0. This becomes
20.
What do I put here?
5.
5. Excellent. So this one is actually 0.75. Can do? 3 and 3/4, right, must be 3 point something something, right? Okay, so this 3/4, how to change it to a fraction? So I will take 3 divided by 4 lor. So decimal here, right? So this is 0, this is 7, so 0.7, right? Minus 28 over Britney, like that, okay? So 3/4 is 0.75, you understand? Okay, so this one is 3 lah. So I have a 3, then I need to plus 0.75. So my answer will be 3.75 answer.